everyone, I'm your Kfood grandma. Today, I'll show you how to make warm and colorful Korean bibimbap.
We'll start by preparing all the fresh vegetables, spinach, carrots, zucchini, and slice them thin and even. The secret to beautiful bibimbap is balance and care. Lightly stir-fry each ingredient until it shines with color, not too long, just enough to bring out the flavor. Next, we prepare a bowl of warm, freshly cooked rice, the heart of every Korean meal. Now, gently place the vegetables on top of the rice, one by one, like painting a rainbow. And here it is, homemade Korean bibimbap, made with love. Enjoy your meal, everyone! It's time to mix. Slowly blend the colors and flavors together, Pap. This is where warmth and love come alive. The rich aroma of bulgogi fills the air. Tender beef, sweet soy, and the warmth of home.
Let's start by preparing the vegetables, blown. Onion, green onion, and carrot, the heart of flavor.
Cut the carrots into thin strips and slice the green onions at an angle to ripple. Balance of color makes the dish alive.
Now prepare thinly sliced beef, tulip, soft and tender, the soul of bulgogi. Mix soy sauce, sugar, garlic, sesame oil, and a bit of pear. That sweetness makes it truly Korean.
Pour the sauce over the beef and mix by hand. This is where love meets flavor.
Cook it gently over medium heat. Listen to the sound. This is the music of Korean home cooking.
And here it is, Korean bulgogi, sweet, savory, and made with gentle hands.
The colors of japchae come alive. Soft glass noodles, mixed with tender beef and fresh vegetables.
Let's prepare the vegetables frulo, garlic, onion, and carrot, one by one, with patience and care.
Next, slice red and yellow peppers, then cut green onions on the diagonal tuyul. Color and balance in every motion.
Wash the spinach, slice the mushrooms gray, soft, earthy flavors that bring comfort to every bite. Cook thin slices of beef with soy sauce and sugar. Gentle heat, rich aroma, the soul of japchae.
Boil the noodles, drain them, then season with soy sauce and sesame oil. This gives them flavor and shine.
Now combine everything. Glass noodles, vegetables, and beef tuck, mixing softly until colors and flavors come together. And here it is, homemade Korean japchae, colorful, fragrant, and full of heart.
Korean yangnyeom chicken, crisp outside, tender inside, coated in sweet and spicy sauce.
Start with fresh chicken. Clean and even pieces make perfect crispy bites.
Season the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic, and a little soy, and this builds deep flavor before frying.
Add flour and starch. Coat each piece lightly flurried. This is the secret to a thin, crispy crust.
Fry the chicken in hot oil until golden brown. Hear the sound of perfect crispiness.
Now make the magic sauce. Gochujang, ketchup, soy, and sugar blend into a rich. Pour the sauce over the crispy chicken and mix gently, and every bite should shine. And here it is, Korean yangnyeom chicken, sweet, spicy, and made with loving hands.